Imagine this, you're a freshman in college scraping by on a tight budget. You've got $1,000 saved up and you think, what can this tiny amount even do? It's tempting to spend it on a new phone, right? But here's where most people miss a golden opportunity. What if I told you that if you let that $1,000 grow instead, it could be worth over $10,000 by the time you graduate? And if you just added a bit more each month, it could turn into hundreds of thousands of dollars down the line. Today, I'll show you how the power of compounding can make that possible. Let's make this real with a story. Picture two friends, Sarah and Mike. Sarah's a planner. She starts investing at 25 with just $5,000, adding a small amount every month. Mike, well, he's a bit of a procrastinator. He decides to wait until he's 35 to start investing. They both plan to retire at 65, and they're both getting the same average return of 8% annually. You'd think they'd end up with similar amounts, right? Not even close. By the time they reach 65, Sarah's account has grown to over $110,000. Mike, despite investing the same amount each month, he ends up with just half of that. This story is a real wake-up call. Compounding isn't just about putting money aside. It's about the snowball effect of time. The sooner you start, the bigger the reward. Starting to think you should call your bank right now? Well, hold that thought. There's more to the story. One of the smartest moves Sarah made was reinvesting her earnings. She didn't cash out the dividends or interest, she let them compound. Every reinvested dollar was like a little soldier, creating even more income, fueling her wealth snowball. Without this, she'd have seen half her results. This one small choice to reinvest was her game changer. Now I know what some of you are thinking, but what if I need that money for a new car or a vacation? Look, I get it. The pull to spend is real, but each dollar you cash out now is like wealth lost. Compounding isn't just an investment strategy, it's a commitment. If you're serious about building wealth, think long-term. Here's the final secret: consistency. Wealth isn't built on one lucky investment or by timing the market perfectly. It's built on disciplined, regular investing, month after month, year after year, even when things look uncertain. Sarah stuck with her strategy through thick and thin, never missing a beat. That's why her investments grew like they did. Because here's the truth. Life is unpredictable. Markets will rise and fall, but if you stay consistent, you'll create a safety net that grows stronger over time. Compound interest rewards patience, discipline, and courage. Feeling a bit like a financial superhero? Good, because that's what compounding does. It transforms ordinary people into financial legends. And if you're ready to take control of your future, there's one more thing you can do to supercharge your journey. If you're serious about taking the next step, check out our video, Do This to Make $10,000 as a Student. This video is packed with strategies to help you build up that first big chunk of investment cash, letting compound interest do the rest. Just click the link here and let's get you one step closer to the wealth you deserve. Remember, the power to change your future is in your hands. Start